Alright guys, so today we're gonna change the spark plugs and the wires for this 2004 F150. This is 4.2 liters. So I want to show you how, and I want to do it wire per wire. So we're gonna remove this wire first. There you go. So we take it out on the side. So now we're gonna remove the spark plug. So I don't know if you can see the spark plug. Let me see. So the spark plug, we're gonna remove it. Here. Right there. Okay, so this spark plug was loose. So oops. Okay, so here's my spark plug here. So they use auto light for this Ford. I mean, you can use auto light, but I mean the best thing you can do is use Motorcraft spark plugs. And you can see here the gap is not right. So this car should be between 52 and 59 inch, the gap. So this is not good. So right here we got the new one, and this is the old one, like this. So we're gonna gap this one to 54. So I'm gonna grab this coin and we're gonna do 54. Okay. Well, let's do a 52 and 53 like this. Okay, so the gap should be like this, not like this. See, it's really close, so should be the gap like this, and you need to use a Motorcraft Platinum spark plugs. Okay, so now we're gonna use a little bit of anti-seize lubricant. Just a little bit. Alright, so we have our spark plug here now. We want to install it. So they're really careful. Try not to damage the gap. Okay. Okay. Okay, so for this spark plugs, we're gonna torque a 12 foot-pounds. I'm gonna torque it to 12. There we go. All right. And now we're going to remove the cable. Remove this cable here. We got our new set of cables too, so we're going to replace the cables, the wires. So we're going to so we're gonna add a little bit of electrical grease to the wire, just a little bit. Okay, and also we're gonna add a little bit on this side, like that. See? Not a lot. So we install our cable here. There we go. We're gonna put it in the same way we remove it. Alright, later. Alright guys, so as you can see, I replaced the first one right there. So you're gonna do the same thing for the other 5. So you're gonna take the cable, you're gonna reuse the same wires. That's fine, just make sure it's not any pinholes or that is causing a misfire. So you only need to remove those cables right there, and this side is more easier that it looks like. So that's how you change the spark plugs on this 2004 F150 4.2. This is 6 cylinders. So I hope, guys, this video helped you to do it yourself. And well, thanks for watching, guys.